In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive Nintendo Switch games. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off on your home screen, you're going to want to go down to the very bottom, scroll over and select System Settings. Once you're in here, scroll down a little bit on this left-hand sidebar until you see Data Management. Once you're in Data Management, scroll over and go to the Manage Software tab. Open this up and you'll see a list of all of your installed games. From here, you just got to choose whatever game you want to archive. For example, say I want to remove, Hogwarts Legacy, or actually let's do Legend of Zelda for this one, right? You'd essentially go ahead and select it and then choose Delete Software right here. You'll get a message saying that your save data will not be deleted, essentially meaning that all your progress stays safe. This is what archiving does. It just removes the game files but keeps your save data. When you delete the software, you'll have the option to keep the icon on the home screen or remove it completely. If you do keep that icon, you can tap on it quickly later to re-download it. Just confirm by hitting delete, the software will be removed. If you ever want to play it again, go to the home game, find that icon and tap on it and it'll re-download it. And from here, your save data will still be on there and you can go ahead and play wherever you might have left off. But that is it. That is how you can archive Nintendo Switch games to free up storage without losing your progress. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.